Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Bluetooth file transfer not completed, file transfer is disabled by policy. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooters, click Run under Bluetooth. Second method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Click and expand all networks, change to 40 or 56-bit encryption in. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Bluetooth, right-click your Bluetooth adapter, uninstall device, after uninstall, click Actions, click Scan for hardware changes. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.